In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then click on System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, hit Text Correction and scroll down a tiny bit to use this switcher next to Autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or on. If you decided to enable it, you can also use this switcher next to Undo Autocorrect on Backspace to enable this option as well and make using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!